What are the best modifications you can do to any motorcycle? Cheap ones. That's why today I'm going to show you how to add motocross style foot pegs to your Honda Rebel for free.
Perfect.
Welcome back to Life of Birch. This is Birch, and that is right. Today we are going to put some motocross style foot pegs on the Rebel for free. Not only is it free, but it's super easy as well because they're already on the bike. All we have to do is modify the stock foot pegs, and all that it takes is a 10mm socket. Now if you look at the stock foot pegs, you'll see that it has this rubber insert right here, and that is there to kind of cut down on vibrations so that it's a more comfortable ride, but I would rather have all metal to kind of give it more grip for when I eventually learn how to do wheelies on this thing. So we're going to take the rubber piece off. Now this modification might not be for everyone since this piece is here for comfort and it might make your feet a little bit more buzzy feeling when you're riding, but for those of you who are interested, it's super easy to do. If you lift the foot peg up, you'll see that there's just one 10mm nut under here. All you're going to do is loosen that and then this insert will pop right out. We're going to do that on both sides and then see how it looks. Just like that, 30 seconds later, you have your Dirtbike motocross style foot pegs all ready to go. As you can see, this is the insert that comes out. It's a rubber piece with the metal part that holds it on. It normally fits right in there, comes out, and you have this all metal foot peg that's kind of spiky and grippier and matches this pedal as well. Now, like I said, it might have a little bit more vibration when you're riding because there's not that rubber there as a buffer, but really what I'm looking for is grip as opposed to the little bit of comfort that it adds, so this should do really well. This modification might not be for everybody, but honestly I'm sure that it doesn't affect the comfort that much, and I think it looks a whole ton better as well. So I'm pretty pleased for 30 seconds of work and 2 bolts worth of work. I'd say it looks awesome. This is probably the easiest modification that I've done so far, so hopefully some of you are going to get some use out of it as well. And like I said, I did this primarily just so I could get some grip for when I learn how to do wheelies on this thing. As you can see, I already have the frame sliders on both sides, and I haven't done a video on that yet because I'm going to do a video with those when I put on the engine guard in the front. I bought an engine guard, but it didn't fit the way that I liked, so I have the T-Rex one coming in. Should be here in a few days, and then I'm going to film that video. And then as soon as that's on, it's time to start wheeling it once we know that it's protected, so definitely keep an eye out for that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so that you don't miss out on that video once I'm ready to put that out. Make sure to check out my other videos as well if you haven't already. We got tons of Rebel 500 content on the channel as well as some Rebel 300 content. Give this video a nice big thumbs up and give it a like if you haven't already, and we will catch you on the next one. Peace! Alright guys, so I thought that was the end of the video, but now that I've started riding, I just have to stop real quick and tell you guys, these things grip so much better than the rubber that was originally on there. It is like ridiculous. Like your foot gets on there and it is planted. It's not moving anywhere. I'm sure it helps that I have the Vans waffle soles, so it has lots of grip on it, but it's ridiculous. If you need grip on your pegs, do this. I am blown away by how much better this is. So much better, in fact, that I'm actually thinking about risking it and trying a wheelie before I have the bars on. Oh my gosh, that was actually a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Alright, well, we know that it can wheelie pretty well. If you've watched this far to see the wheelie, leave a comment below. You guys are the real MVPs. Peace! And there's a cop right there.